Warning, the following alarm you heard came due to an incoming monster attack. This is not a test. We do not know where the monster came from, but the only news we heard from it is that it looks like a treasure chest. Please remain calm, but if it comes to you, do not make eye contact with it. Remember, if you see it for 2 seconds, you are gone. For safety concerns, make sure to... Since it appears during night, and goes upstairs and downstairs, make sure you're in the basement, since the basement is not where it comes to. Warning, the unknown monster has officially escaped and came to our own world. If you see it, please keep an eye off it right now. Close all doors, close all windows, close your door, close your door, close your door. Wait.
Do not be afraid. Soon there is only 100%, no more. Run.